Good morning, children. In today's EVS class, we are going to learn on the topic means of land transport from page number 67 from your EVS textbook. Okay, children, open that page. Means of land transport. Land transport. See here, vehicles that move on the road are called means of land transport. Children, here you can see vehicles. These all are vehicles, and each vehicle have a special name. See, this vehicle is called bus. This is a car. This is auto rickshaw. This is a bike. This is scooter. This is helicopter. This is an aeroplane. This is a ship. This is a boat. So here so many vehicles are there, and each vehicle have a special name. And so today you are going to learn that what does land transport means. So children, here the vehicles whatever are moving on the road. See here, this is the road, and whatever the vehicles which are moving on the road, they are a part of land transport. Okay, children, so remember that the vehicles which move on the road are called means of land transport. And here you can see the other vehicles like helicopter, aeroplane. This both belongs to air transport. They are a part of air transport. And ship and boat, they belong to water transport. Okay, and so ship and boat, these both vehicles, they help us to travel over the water. And aeroplane and helicopter, these vehicles helps us to travel by air. And the other vehicles, they help us to move on the road. Okay, children, so these vehicles, whatever that moves on the road, they are called means of land transport. Okay, for you to understand more clear activity, we are going to do the activity, children, so that you can understand more clearly. Circle the pictures of the vehicles that are used as land transport. So here we have to circle the pictures which belongs to land transport. Okay, let us do that. Now see here, first one, BUS, bus. Bus belongs to land transport because it is moving on the road. So you have to circle bus, children. You can do like this. You have to circle that completely. Okay. Then the next one, car. Car also belongs to land transport. So you have to circle car, C-A-R, car. Then auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw also you have to circle because they all are moving on the road. Next, B-I-K-E, bike. Bike also you have to circle. That is also moving on the road. This one, next one is scooter. Scooter also belongs to land transport because it's all vehicles move on the road. So they belong to land transport. Okay, children. And next you have some vehicles like helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter, and aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. So these both are a part of air transport. So we have to cross out them because they don't belong to land transport. They belong to air transport. And next one, S-H-I-P, ship, and B-O-A-T, boat. This both belongs to water transport. So we have to cross out them because they asked only the pictures of the vehicles that are used as land transport. So whatever the vehicles which move on the road, they belong to the land transport. So we have to circle them. Okay, children. And next page. Yes, color the pictures. Children, you have to color the pictures. Only the pictures like which you go to the school or which you go to the nearby market. Children, sometimes you all go by this vehicles. You travel by these vehicles. So whenever you go to the school, if your school is far away, you have to go by some vehicle like auto or cycle or bike or bus. So whatever it is, you have to color that vehicle. And whenever you go to the market also, you go by some vehicle. So whatever it is, you have to do coloring for that vehicle. Okay children, you have to complete this work. This is page number 68. Okay, and after that you have to write down your notebook also. Here children, you have to write like this. Write today's date 11-2-21. Then EVS, learn orally. And then write down question number 1. Tell some examples of land transport. Okay, and write down all this like this. When I ask you the question like tell some examples of land transport, you have to say bus, car, bike, scooter, auto rickshaw. Okay children, all of you write down in your notebook and you have to by heart this. Okay, let's meet again children. Bye.
Children, now we are going to learn prayer, morning prayer. This is morning prayer. Repeat children. Father, we thank thee for night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, at work or play, to grow more loving every day. Once again repeat children. Morning prayer. Father, we thank thee for night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, at work or play, to grow more loving every day. Children, keep on practicing. Thank you.
Hello children, now I will be teaching subtract, page number 81. Take out this page children. There are 8 drums. As we are subtracting the number 3. Cross 3 drums, 1, 2, 3. And then count the remaining drums, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 in this box. Here there are 5 envelopes. As we are subtracting the number 1. Cross 1 envelope. Okay children. And then count the remaining envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 in this box. there are 9 carrots. As we are subtracting the number 5. Cross the 5 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then count the remaining carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Write 4 in this box. There are 4 feathers. Okay, children. And as we are subtracting the number 2, cross 2 feathers, 1, 2, and then count the remaining leaves feathers, 1, 2. Okay, children, write 2 in this box. Here there are 6 pineapples. As we are subtracting the number 3, cross 3 pineapples, 1, 2, 3, and then count the remaining pineapples, 1, 2, 3. Write in this box number 3. Here there are some mangoes. Count with me, children. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 mangoes. Okay. As we are subtracting the number 3, cross 3 mangoes. 1, 2, 3. And then count the remaining mangoes. Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Write in this box number 6. Okay, children. Thank you.
Hello, children. Good morning. Today we are going to read lesson number 22. Take out your English readers. Okay. So, whose things are these? Whose things are these? That means if any particular thing belong to a person, we will just want to know whose things are these. Okay. First sentence. I am Anne. Who's this girl? She is Anne. This is my doll. Whose doll is this? Her doll. So, this thing belongs to Anne. Next. This is Joe. What is this boy's name? Joe. This is his dog. Whose dog is this? His dog. So, this dog belongs to this boy. Next. This is Mona. Who is this girl? Mona. This is her bag. Whose bag is this? Mona's bag. This is our house. This girl says this is our house because her mother, her father, her brother all live together over here. So this is our house. It belongs to all of them. Okay. So this page you have to do reading. I am Anne. This is my doll. This is Joe. This is his dog. This is Mona. This is her bag. This is our house. After doing reading, take out your workbook. Workbook page number 51. Workbook page number 51. Practice sheet number 19. Whose things are these? Okay. Fill in the blanks with my or our. This is my book. Only one book is here. So this is my book. You should write here M-Y, my. This is my book. Next. This is our house. This house belongs to these two boys. So this is our house. More than one child, we have to say our. O-U-R. Our. This is our house. Okay. Next. This is my pencil. You can see only one pencil over here. So this pencil belongs to this girl. This is my pencil. M-Y, my pencil. This is our car. This car belongs to all of them. More than more than one or three people are here. So the father and the children. So this is our car. O, this belongs to the family. This is our car. Page number 51. Turn the page. 52. 52 also is here to fill in the blanks. This is Anu. This is Anu. This is her bag. She's a girl, na? So her, H-E-R, her bag. This is her bag. This is Aman. Who's this boy? This is Aman. This is his bat. Whose bat is that? His bat. That bat belongs to him. So his bat. This is Simi. This is her pet. Whose pet is this? Her pet. Her means that girl's pet. Okay? Her pet. This is Raji. This is Raji. This is her doll. Because she's a girl, we say her. If it's a boy, we say his. Okay? I'll just read it once again for you. This is Anu. This is her bag. This is Aman. This is his bat. This is Simi. This is her pet. This is Raji. This is her doll. Do these 2 pages, children, in the worksheet, page number 51 and 52. Okay? Bye-bye.
Hello children. Good morning. How are you children? Hope you all are fine. Today I will be teaching numbers from 801 to 850. Repeat after me children. 801, 802, 803, 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 809, 810. One line leave it. 811, 812, 813, 814, 815, 816, 817, 818, 819, 820. Leave a line. 821, 822, 823, 824, 825, 826, 827, 828, 829, 830. Leave a line. 831, 832, 833, 834, 835, 836, 837, 838, 839, 840. Leave a line. 841, 842, 843, 844, 845, 846, 847, 848, 849, 850. Next numbers children. 851 to 900. Repeat after me children. 851, 852, 853, 854, 855, 856, 857, 858, 859, 860. Leave a line. 861, 862, 863, 864, 865, 866, 867, 868, 869, 870. Leave a line. 871, 872, 873, 874, 875, 876, 877, 878, 879, 880, 881, 882, 883, 884, 885, 886, 887, 888, 889, 890. Leave a line. 891, 892, 893, 894, 895, 896, 897, 898, 899, 900. Write these numbers in check rule book at house, children. See you next class. Thank you.
Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we shall start with a new rhyme, that is Little Miss Muffet, on page number 40. Okay, children, now you all can turn the page on page number 41 and you all shall do the activity time. The colors are shown here. You all can follow putting the colors. So children, let's do the action of the rhyme. Ready, children? Let's start. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a big spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. So children, shall we sing it? Start. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There came a big spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Okay, children, I hope you like the rhyme. Bye, children.
Hello children, good morning. Today I will be teaching numbers from 701 to 750. Repeat after me, children. 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709, 710. Leave a line. 711, 712, 713, 714, 715, 716, 717, 718, 719, 720. Leave a line. 721, 722, 723, 724, 725, 726, 727, 728, 729, 730, 731, 732, 733, 734, 735, 736, 737, 738, 739, 740. Leave a line. 741, 742, 743, 744, 745, 746, 747, 748, 749, 750. Next numbers, children. Numbers from 751 to 800. Repeat after me, children. 751, 752, 753, 754, 755, 756, 757, 758, 759, 760. Leave a line. 761, 762, 763, 764, 765, 766, 767, 768, 769, 770. Leave a line. 771, 772, 773, 774, 775, 776, 777, 778, 779, 780. Leave a line. 781, 782, 783, 784, 785, 786, 787, 788, 789, 790. Leave a line, children. 791, 792, 793, 794, 795, 796, 797, 798, 799, 800. Write these numbers at house, children. Thank you, children. Bye. See you.
Hello children, take out your reader. Lesson number 21. Meet this family. They have written something about a particular family. They are just saying meet this family. This is the heading of the lesson. Read the following sentences. I am Rana. Who's this boy? What is he saying? I am Rana. This is my sister Renu. What is this girl's name? Renu. This is my sister Renu. This boy's sister. Okay. I love her and she loves me. He loves his sister and his sister also loves him. Okay. This is my father. Whose father is this? Rana's father. Rana and Renu's father. His name is Amit. What is this man's their father's name? Amit. He buys us many things. He buys these children many things. This is my mother. Who is this lady? These two children's mother. Her name is Ritu. What's her name? Ritu. She takes care of us. Mother takes care of these children. We are a happy family. We are a happy family. Okay. So you have to read this at home once again with the help of your parents. I am Rana. This is my sister Renu. I love her and she loves me. This is my father. His name is Amit. He buys us many things. This is my mother. Her name is Ritu. She takes care of us. We are a happy family. Okay. So this is from lesson number 21. Lesson number 21. Now we are going to do the workbook. We have a worksheet practice book you have now. Practice book. Yeah, this is our workbook, English workbook. Take out page number 50. Worksheet number 18. Worksheet number 18. Fill in the blanks with he or she. This is a girl. So when we say a girl, we have to say she. She is Sarah. S-H-E. She is Sarah. This is a boy. He is Tom. He is Tom. Okay. He is Mr. Sen. He is Mr. Sen. Next. She is Mrs. Sen. Dash is Sarah. She is Sarah. He is Tom. Dash is Tom. He is Tom. Dash is Mr. Sen. He is Mr. Sen. Dash is Mrs. Sen because she's a lady. She. Okay. For the boys we use he. For the girls we say she. Write down this practice sheet for homework.
Number 601 to 650. Repeat after me, children. 601, 602, 603, 604, 605, 606, 607, 608, 609, 610. Leave a line. 611, 612, 613, 614, 615, 616, 617, 618, 619, 620, 621, 622, 623, 624, 625, 626, 627, 628, 629, 630, 631, 632, 633, 634, 635, 636, 637, 638, 639, 640, 641, 642, 643, 644, 645, 646, 647, 648, 649, 650. Teaching numbers 651 to 700. Repeat after me, children. 651, 652, 653, 654, 655, 656, 657, 658, 659, 660. Leave a line. 661, 662, 663, 664, 665, 666, 667, 668, 669, 670, 671, 672, 673, 674, 675, 676, 677, 678, 679, 680, 681, 682, 683, 684, 685, 686, 687, 688, 689, 690, 691, 692, 693, 694, 695, 696, 697, 698, 699, 700. Okay, children, write these numbers. Write at house in check rule book, children. Thank you. Hello, children. Good morning. How are you, children? Hope you all are fine. Today I will be teaching. Now I will be teaching lesson number 28, subtraction, page number 78. There are 4 mangoes on the tree. Okay, children. 2 mangoes fall off. How many mangoes are left? Count with me, children. 1, 2. There are 2 mangoes left. Okay, children. This boy name is Tinku. Tinku has 5 candies. He eats up 2 candies. How many candies are left? Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3. Write 3 in this box. Okay. This girl name is Veena. Veena has 6 balloons. There are flew away. 3 balloons flew away. How many balloons left? Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons are left. Write 3 number in this box. Next page. The symbol minus represents subtraction. Okay, children. There are 5 leaves. As we are subtracting the number 2, cross 2 leaves and then count the remaining leaves. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. Next, there are 9 fish. As we are subtracting the number 4, cross 4 fish and then count the remaining fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Write number 5 in this box. Here there are 4 apples. As we are subtracting the number 1, cross the apple 1 and then count the remaining apples. 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Write number 3 in this box. There are 8 books. As we are subtracting the number 3, cross the 3 books. 1, 2, 3. And count the remaining books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children. Write 5 in this box. There are 6 balls. Okay, children. There are 6 balls. As we are subtracting the number 5, cross 5 balls. 2, 3, 4, 5. And count the remaining balls. There is only 1 ball. 6 minus 5, 1. Write number 1 in this box. Next page, page number 80.